Yeah, na me catch you say, you see, ade biara efiri unsa no so ginya media obon edimao. You share the story of Job, Job, na Bible kasi Job sikeni ne time no ye the richest man on earth. Bible say bibia free ninsa ne yire ne busua ne sika na honjade o say ne bibia free ninsa na emmomo no emre pemu no Bible say Nyankopon restore no. Bible say ade biara Job ehwere no obon ho mienu edima no. And that means at that time no sikeni no obeye sikeni times 2. We so sad we be ABS e we Davido abrabom. Enti ene se wuti me bebia obi ama wani anjima Davido ane sen. Ya Chioma unim say somewhere November. Yeah, somewhere November, 1st November mu wono mu na. Davido ne busuafo anti asemde. Chioma nso anti asemde ane sen eyo ba ko ifianyi a omo je omo hono mutese omo businesses ne ade nti no omo jama omo caretakers no omo anti asem den se akola no ekoto pu mu a je so ye nyame de asem na ye yi bet obeden ye say owo kitade a enkwa entumi enje
na nsema etwi koberman a ewo abefuntintan so say I say the Nigerian singer Davido has reportedly lost a son, even though it is yet to be made official. Sources say Ifeanyi, whose 3rd birthday was celebrated a few days ago, died by drowning while his parents were away for a family meeting. He was left in the care of his minders when the devastating news happened. The multiple award-winning singer Davido Chioma Roland and his girlfriend and mother of the boy are both yet to make a public comment. Now the actually say, and Davido and Untini ayeni na ayenim ene ne kanchima and the baby mama ayefeno Chioma Roland. Na actually say omuja omoba bema ayefeno Ifeanyi are just few days in abofrey edi the 3rd birthday. O janima caretakers and yes housemates wofie ehwe abofra no so ntimu se na abofre agromu no oginani e wo fie odware pool na pool no na fofie antoata akola no nsuo ayeden nsuo amem no nsuo ni memo no na chese wo se Russia akola no e de call hospital chese on a kwan so ayede ni call hospital no e na abofra no ehwe ne nkwa na we na eba ye no I say eye because ye dey na call hospital nkofo fele say o ye dey na call hospital nti enye issue bia ye be kan wasem on say issue ba na nipa na nkasa ade na to no on ba out and be making official untumi sole nkasi we matese obi there be nipa no kra said otumi issue na we na Davido na Snapchat obetro say Ifeanyi why I had plans for you now to moon say na de na nkofo etete sakola na drane sebia bia we free mo no eya no kra because o say Ifeanyi why I had plans for you
entino eyara wosema etuom same ne momu ne enne no se me no kase de Chioma Nyankopon a restore no a Chioma wawo enta fe e was US I just say I can say and I can testify say Davido is the happiest father right now on earth. You see I can say obi just baby obi a utem se weni age a be say men say Davido ni age esen na hwefo ye embra November ni mu na omhwere mo ba no say sofo bi a edu time I say nkrofo encourage you am show mo nkran a ebi mo send am condolences no ono so send ni condolences na mu no okasembi oka prophesy kasembi to Chioma baba so a I am say abem ana say asema Nyankopon kan ya abem na dofo yenkotie sofo yi ana say ma men kan nsem the way I post on Twitter so ma men kan the way o kan nsem no e de ekire no evangelist Dr. Gospel Agochuku say sofo ni dia eno na say no din nsem etudwa ewo Twitter Facebook sorry I say God told me Ifeanyi is dead but he can give Chioma twins in the next childbirth. Ifeanyi cannot come back to life. This is their time to make things right. He is the God of restoration. My condolences to the family of Davido Adeleke, Evangelist Dr. Gospel Agochuku. And of when somebody to Jana and somebody to Ja on the 4th of November 2022. 2022. And he said, "Ene de me no ya testify and I say ya ka se ne nkom hye no kan no abem enti me no be obi ane abuma ka kire Davido ni Chioma say congratulations na onso so a wotie me no so no na onso wo say ade be frun say Yakobon betimi a restore na me ka wo say subscribe, like it, na share sa news we say ne be a omonso mu ye no omonso omehu aha Xposed me a medin nsem we ebro medin ane nana yeboa makra mu nyina. Bye bye.